and welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to show you episode 2 of our crazy adventure. If you haven't already done so, please don't forget to like, subscribe
and turn on the notification bell
so you can follow us along and watch all the episodes. There are quite a few and we're going to give you all the instructions so you can make these at home as well. So let's get started. So for today's recipe we are doing the ramen. What does ramen mean in English, Ella?
Noodles.
And it comes with 2 really cute dumplings as well. You will need a pair of scissors and a little bit of water. But if you want to, you can also have chopsticks just to eat your noodles later on, and perhaps a bucket so you put all the rubbish. And maybe if you have a handy big fat straw at home, it'll help you roll things out, but you can just use your fingers otherwise. All right, let's get started. You wanna cut it?
Sure.
What do we have here?
Let's see.
So that's gonna be rubbish.
Okay.
All right. So I'm gonna lay it out so everybody at home can see. We have, and it's really cool, you can watch along. So we have, that's the dumpling mix and the egg and the fish cake. This little twirly thing, it's fish cake. And we have the bowl for the noodles. That's gonna go with the stock. And we have the bowl to make the actual noodles. That's gonna go with the yellow packet. And these 2 are the fillings for the dumplings. That's the dumpling mold. Thank you, Ella. All right, we're gonna cut along all the lines. Do you wanna do it or do you want mommy to do it?
Wait, don't forget the plastic bag and the tiny fork.
Oh yeah. Okay, I think we're supposed to go down this way first. Go down this way first, it's easier. Whoop. And go down that. For Ella to finish the mold. You fold it in half.
It looks like teeth.
Hello, Ella. All right, so first step, we're gonna cut open this tiny little packet of dough, which I think is actually a type of candy. And we're going to measure using this here. So we have to reserve 2 little balls, and then the rest of it we're gonna cut in half and make 2 dumplings. So, all right, you take a little bowl out. Just a little one, because it's supposed to fit in there. I think I took too much. How is it? I think it's okay. We'll make do. Yeah, you can have a little bit.
Thank you.
We're gonna break it in half. I'm gonna try get it exactly. Can I have the fork?
Yep.
Is that half? Okay, you can do 1 dumpling, I'll do 1 dumpling. Okay, so roll it in a circle. Rolly. And then when you have a really perfect ball, squish it. Squish it. And what we're going to do is, you can use your fingers and just keep doing that, or look, you can use a giant straw.
Wow.
And these 2 are for those. This is the cutest little dumpling I've ever made, darling. Oh, if you want to make real dumplings, don't forget we have a recipe for really nice chewy and crunchy dumplings. Alright, I'm going to put mine in here, in the dumpling mold you made. Just squish it in a bit. Alright, hard part, Ella. What are you going to choose? So now these are the dumpling fillings. Which one are you going to choose, the red or the blue packet?
Well, red is my favorite color, so red.
Alright, you can go red. I will go blue. Chop. And don't forget to save, I think, some of the peas. Here's your red. Hold it for a sec. I'm going to try it first. If I ruin it by any chance, then you can do yours better than mummy's, okay?
They're both red.
I think they taste different.
Probably. They're probably different flavors.
That's a lot of dumpling mix.
Maybe
I'm
I'll
going to
save
reserve
some.
some of the peas for the noodles. 1, 2. I think they look like minced meat and peas.
Yeah, probably. I'm gonna save some of mine too because there's a lot.
Probably should have got a spoon for that, but that's okay. All right,
Good luck
moment of truth.
That.
I know, I'm so scared. Ah, oops. Ah. See how we go. Oh, it's kind of just closing. I think I got a bit too greedy with the filling.
Yeah, I'm saving some of mine. I think I added to the
So keep squishing it and squishing it.
Wow.
And squishing it and squishing it and squishing it. Ooh, are you ready?
Yes.
Look at that.
Wow. I'm gonna put this aside.
Oh, so cute.
Make my dumpling. Just like making real dumplings.
Oh, look at that.
Wow.
Next bit is, while you trim that, the next bit is to get the toothpick out. And the instructions are a bit strange. It says poke from inside to outside, which really just follow this arrow, and all you have to do is create a hole so you can put your noodles through. So there's a hole there. You probably can't see it, but there's a hole there. I promise there's a hole there. All right, so we need water up to the line for the star. Pour water up to where the line is. You think that's enough?
I think
Yeah.
so.
And that's going to be our noodle mixture.
I'm going to mix it with a tiny, tiny fork. It's like turning into jelly.
Oh, make sure you get all the dry clumps out.
Wow.
Don't put too much water. That should be okay, yeah.
Yeah. It's supposed to dry hard in the soup.
Oh, it's becoming
Whoa.
very thick.
Looks exactly like jelly.
It smells like... So if you haven't ever used a piping bag, what you do is you roll it over like you're rolling your sleeve over. Like that. Just helps keep everything nice and clean. Then you can mix it one more time. Just double check there's no big lumps or watery bits.
All those corners.
So pop that in, all of it. Camera probably can't see it, but we're just pouring it in right now. All of it, just a little bit more. Okay. And guess what Mummy forgot? I forgot to do the stock for our soup. So let's do the stock for the soup now. Okay, so pour water to the line.
Okay. Thank you. And snipper away.
Oh, you just knocked over our egg.
Sorry.
Okay, so pour it in.
Looks like Coke
Yeah.
or
All right,
salt.
give it a big
and
mix. It smells like fizzy Coke. Or Fanta. I think it smells like Fanta. You
Yum.
just made a mess. All right, so now we're going to, the hole is there, so we're gonna push everything out. Twist the last bit. Keep twisting until, oh, it's gonna come out. You wanna do it?
pepper. Sure.
All right, you go. Hold it back first. Hold it back. Yep. And then keep going back and forth. Big circles, big circles. Yep. Keep going. Whoa, look, the stock looks like miso stock.
Yeah.
Okay, keep going back and forth, back and forth. Not too don't squeeze too hard. Yep, keep going. Oh, I can see the noodles forming. Apparently it takes 3 minutes for it to set. Okay, while you do that, I'm gonna do the egg. That one you got dirty somehow. Take this one. Okay, don't squeeze it all, don't squeeze it all. We need some for the egg. It's all right, we only need a little bit. Alright, I'm gonna squeeze this in. Can you see it, cameraman? It's very tricky. Okay, good thing we reserve some more. Just gonna put a little bit more on it.
Squish it in.
Squishing it in.
Squish.
Oh, I think it's good. I'm gonna peel the egg out. You wanna finish off the egg by putting a little dollop in there? Oh, maybe I'll do it. You can do the other one.
Okay.
Peel it off. I can't seem to peel it off.
Comes out.
Oh, that is so cool. Look at the egg.
Wow.
And do the 12 with this.
Sure.
You wanna do it? Your mommy do it. This is small.
So small.
It's so cute. There you go. Alright, let's see the fork that came with. Look at that.
Wow.
Oh my gosh, that is insane.
It also looks like 2-minute noodles.
Yeah. Alright, so we're gonna put the eggs in. Plate it up. Oh, it's tricky. You gonna put your egg in?
Sure.
And the fish cake. And all these tiny little things. That's okay.
Oh, it's soaking in.
Your egg.
At the bottom.
That's okay. We'll put the tiny bits in. Oh, that's so cute. Don't go crazy. I know it's called crazy, but don't go crazy. Oh, look at that.
Bubbling, it's fizzing.
Oh, look at the wobbly noodles.
And the great yummy dumplings.
Ooh. Look at the dumplings.
They're small.
It's so cute. I think it's running away. Ah! Oh my gosh, what are you gonna eat first?
Oh,
Okay.
these noodles are so small.
Alright, you go first. You go first. Cheers.
Cheers.
Cheers. I feel like we're the lady in the trap.
I know. These noodles. So small.
Tastes so much like a lolly. It's so mind tripping. You think it's noodles, but then when you eat it, it's a lolly.
And it's jelly.
It's actually quite tasty. It's quite. I want to see if that is like a gummy lolly or what. All right, I'm gonna have the fish cake. All right, let's go dumplings.
Cheers.
Oh, it's
fizzy.
popping candy. I did not expect that. Swap. Let's see what your flavor is. All right, we better wrap it up. Ella, stop eating. We've got to say goodbye to everyone. All right, thank you so much for watching. What would you rate this, Ella?
100 out of 10.
Whoa, that's a lot. Why so much?
Well, it's really good, it's fizzy, and it's sort of better than the first one.
Yeah, it is quite fun. And as a mum and a teacher, I definitely recommend this. I wouldn't be too worried about kids putting things in their mouth because obviously it's edible. And as a science teacher, it's a great way to teach about polymerization. So until next time, don't forget to
Subscribe, like, and turn on the notification bell.
bye.
Bye.